Red Hat virtual training courses feature the same content, instructors, and labs you've come to expect from instructor-led training. However, these courses take place from your own device, in the comfort of your office or home. Virtual training has many benefits. There's no need to book flights or hotels. Participation can take place from anywhere with an internet connection. You can maximize your workday. Most courses are scheduled for 5.5 hours per day and take between 2 to 5 days to complete. You can still interact with your instructor and fellow classmates, just like in instructor-led training. The virtual training environment has text chat and conference call features so you can listen to lectures.
This is a machine with 8 CPUs and 64 gigs of RAM.
Follow along with exercises and labs, ask questions, and interact with your fellow students clearly and concisely. Each session has dedicated support to help you navigate your way through the course, or troubleshoot any technical issues you may encounter. You still access the same cloud-based, hands-on labs and environments that you would use in an in-person classroom.